Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can zoom in and out on TradingView charts. This is super useful because zooming helps you focus on specific time frames, detect trends, and analyze candlestick patterns more effectively. And by the way, make sure that you have the full version or correct version for all features, though some options may vary depending on your TradingView. So once you're on your trading view, you will just have to open the chart of your choice. So yeah, go ahead and choose any chart that you want. So for example, this chart right here. So you will just have to click full chart. And now that you're here, in order for you to zoom in, you will just have to scroll up, and in order for you to zoom out, you will just have to scroll down. And yeah, that's basically just it. And that's really as basic as it is. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.